Hello folks, this is Snake Man SALLEE. This is January 5th, exactly 11 o'clock in the morning, and I'm right smack dab in the middle of the bamboo rainforest at Palau. From this point on is where I normally see majority of the elements. Take a look at this bamboo, folks. You ain't seen no bamboo like that back in America. This is about 30 feet tall. That would be 3 stories, folks. It's very nice and cool up here this morning. It's probably about 78, 77 degrees. Nice sunshiny day. Here's some more very, very large bamboo. I have seen numerous elephants right here on this curve where I'm parked. This right here is humongous bamboo, folks. Boy, wouldn't those pandas in China have a feast there? Anyway, folks, this is Snake Man, January 5th, 11:02 in the morning, in the middle of the rainforest up here, Palau, looking for elephants. Happy trails, y'all, and Happy New Year.